Hey guys, this is Golden Nugget Knowledge teaching you exactly how to 3D print and pull it off your printer. Today we're starting with scraping off the excess that builds up on the top of the plate. You can see I'm kind of struggling because I ran into a little ding. So satisfying. This is the best part. I feel like it's a bonsai tree. Get the little last drops off there. Now the next part. Oh, scrape it. Fantastic. Get to the death pile that we wrap up from the last print that failed miserably. Right into the garbage. Plop. Taking out our new mat. We're going to get that area a little bit cleared off. Move a couple things around. Put down our new single side double folded mat. Flip that over because I put it on the wrong side. We want the excess dripping onto the double fold just so we can easily clean up just like we did last time. And here for the print reveal, pray to God it looks okay and not too shabby. Little plate set gently on the mat. Try not to have it flip over, and I'll set it this direction so that you guys can actually see what the heck is happening. So I'm just taking a little palette knife and plop, comes right off. Fantastic. It doesn't always work like that, but thank goodness. Wipe off the palette. Make sure that it's good on both sides. Looks awesome. And then we'll get it going into the 99% alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, basically. Set it for 6 minutes. And this is the best part. The sound is to die for. Moving on, we have our clean print, and now for a minute and a half of me trying to figure out how to get that thing out of there without breaking it, because there's so many tiny pieces. So I'm going to start with just like, kind of feeling, if you've ever played Jenga, it's kind of similar to Jenga. Lots of feeling and poking and prodding and seeing what works, and then it's kind of cut a few pieces and see if we can rip those off. Gently. This little clipper you can find below. I'll post that. It's on Amazon. Cheap as nuts, and it works great. Highly recommend. The flat side on the trimmer is definitely the best part. And apologies, my phone just started zooming into Anycubic. I am not sponsored, but thank you, phone, for pointing out that it's Anycubic resin and printer. Like I said, just kind of gently peeling off, trying to figure out where the loose pieces are that's against something really sturdy, or just loose in general. Kind of rip a few pieces off there. Oh, that's a good chunk. Oh, that's a good chunk too. Alright, on to the next piece. Small piece. And gentle. Break it, James. Anycubic, once you're not sponsored. Stop. Oh, Jesus. Okay. I haven't watched any of this footage, so that's hilarious. And just again, there's no camera man. It's just my phone going insane on the Anycubic sponsorships. Anycubic, if you feel like sponsoring, now's the time. And the next part. Get this chunk off here. Anycubic once again. Get out of the way. At least focus on the print for once in your life. Oh, there we go. Oh, see, this is so satisfying to me. Just taking off giant chunks, kind of figured out. It's getting loose. It's getting loose. Oh, that's a chunk. All right, we're halfway out. It's looking real good. Looking real nice. Take the clipper again. Try to get a little bit more out here. Trying to figure out where that last piece is kind of hanging up. You don't want to rip it out of there. It definitely will make a mess of your piece if you start breaking off pieces and parts. Gluing it back together doesn't look half as professional. So I'm just seeing if it can be wiggled out. Nope, looks like that top piece is really hanging in there. Chop a couple pieces more, see if that breaks it. Little tiny chunks coming off. We're so close. So close for it to be loose. And there it is. This is the Anycubic 4K 3D printer. So much detail. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's Golden Nugget Knowledge. Feel free to like and subscribe. I make videos occasionally when I feel like it. And next time, who knows what's next. Woodworking, a little bit of arts and crafts, a little bit of painting. I do, well, a little bit of everything. So follow, like, subscribe. See you next time.